How to sign up for Canvas as a student. Hey guys, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To sign up for Canvas as a student, you'll be needing an application called Canvas Studio. If you have not installed the application, fear not, you can easily find the application in your Play Store or App Store if you are an iOS user. Once you have installed the application, click on the Open button. There are two of the ways to sign up for a Canvas student. Now firstly, you can tap on Find My School. Over here, you can type in the school's name or the district, after which just select on the school. It will redirect you to the login portal of the school or campus, in which to sign in, you can start by entering your username, or there are various of other sign-in options that you can check it out as well. That is the first method. Second is to tap on the QR code button. If there is a QR system to sign up, just locate the QR code and scan using the Canvas student feature of QR for mobile login. After which, you will be able to create your very own Canvas student account. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorial.